How do you maintain the hair on your nose? Using a nose trimmer, scissors, a waxing iron, and other methods. You probably use a range of techniques to care after the hair on your nose. Long nose hair is a sign of hormonal shifts that is more common in middle-aged males. A metabolite known as DHT is created when the male hormone testosterone interacts to the enzyme 5-alpha reductase. DHT production rises with age, and as it reaches the hair follicles in the nose to generate growth-stimulating factor IGF-1, the hair lengthens. Because of this, our hair gets thinner as we age, while the hair on our brows and on our nose gets stronger and longer. Long nose hairs should be clipped off using specialized scissors rather than plucking. It may become infected with germs if you remove it with your hands or tweezers. Use a pair of nose hair trimming scissors to delicately remove only the protruding tip of the nose hair while shaving it off. At this point, wet the region where the nose hair is to make it simpler to trim. Also, elevate the tip of the nose. But you insist on waxing. Here are 5 reasons why you should avoid nasal waxing. 1. Changes in nasal shape. Improper waxing techniques can damage the skin around the nose. Over time, accumulated damage can affect the shape of the nose, resulting in asymmetry or deformation in the hairless areas. 2. Regrowth time and discomfort. Nasal hair grows relatively quickly compared to hair in other areas. The effects of waxing are temporary and require ongoing maintenance. Additionally, applying wax accurately in the right location for nasal hair removal can be challenging and uncomfortable when done personally. 3. Pain and side effects. Nasal waxing can be quite painful. The nose is a sensitive area, and the pulling involved in waxing can cause discomfort. Improper waxing techniques can also lead to skin damage or inflammation as side effects. 4. Loss of natural defense mechanism. Nasal hair serves as a natural defense mechanism, protecting the nose from dust, particles, and bacteria. Removing nasal hair through waxing compromises this natural defense, making it easier for particles and bacteria to enter the nose. 5. Risk of infection. Waxing can damage the skin around the nose, increasing the risk of infection if wounds occur. Bacteria or viruses from the nasal cavity can enter through the damaged skin, leading to infections. For these reasons, nasal waxing is generally not recommended. It's advisable to consider alternative safe and effective methods for nasal hair removal. Furthermore, nose hairs do more than you may believe. Here are 5 functions of nasal hair. 1. Warming and humidifying air. Nasal hair plays a role in warming and humidifying the inhaled air. The hair inside the nose slightly heats and adds moisture to the air flowing into the body before it reaches the throat and lungs. This helps maintain the respiratory system and protects the throat from dry air. 2. Sound protection. Nasal hair absorbs some of the vibrations of sound, protecting the ears. When high-frequency or loud sounds enter the nose, the hair partially absorbs the energy, reducing the amount of energy transmitted to the ears. This helps mitigate the size and intensity of the sound. 3. Filtering dust and particles. Nasal hair filters out dust, sand, pollen, and other particles from entering the nasal passages. The fine structure of nasal hair allows air to pass through while capturing these particles, helping to protect the respiratory system and keep the breathing space clean. 4. Blocking bacteria and viruses in the air. Nasal hair prevents bacteria and viruses present in the air from entering the nasal cavity. By capturing these microorganisms, nasal hair reduces the risk of infections and helps protect the immune system. 5. Odor detection. Nasal hair is involved in detecting smells. Special cells in the nasal cavity detect the scent of chemicals and send signals to the brain, allowing us to perceive odors from food, the environment, or warning signals. Nasal hair plays an important role in respiration and protection, performing these various functions to maintain overall nasal health. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time with more health information.